showed you my hand and you still let me win. Who was I to say? Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part, accompaniment part to Joker and the Queen by Ed Sheeran, and this is a version that features Taylor Swift. So I'm not going to be note for note, rhythm for rhythm, 100% exact because it would make for a very long-winded and tedious tutorial, but the chords are right and it will be mostly accurate to exactly what's actually being played in the track. So bear in mind this type of song will not be played the same time by the pianist every single time it's performed live. So I'm going to just attempt to sing each section just as a reference point. I've left the whole chords and lyrics link down below as well. So this one is in the key of C major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of C major. So you don't need any of the black keys. There's lots of like upper extension chords, so like major sevenths, minor sevenths, 11ths, 13ths, etc. in this one. So lots of nice like jazzed chords actually. So it's basically only two sections to the song. There's the verse and then there's the chorus. I'll teach both hands at the same time. So right hand is orange and left hand is blue. So it starts with the singular notes. Here is middle C and it starts with this B. So we have B, C, B, G, and then I'll move my other fingers out of the way. This chord, first chord is a C major 7. So then I'm playing C, G in the left hand, and then B, C, E in the right hand. And we're going 1, 2, 3, just occasionally repeating my thumb between the chords. So it has the same effect as it does in the track. So far we have 1, 2, 3, and we play this B, C, B, G again. Left hand comes up to D and A, and the right hand, you've got an option, so you can play C, D, F and A, or you can just play C, F and A. You can miss out the D in there if you want. So 1, 2, 3. And then we play these single notes, so A, B, C. And then we have F major. So F and C in the left hand and F, A, C in the right hand. You're going to play that twice, so 1, 2. Bring the left hand up to G and D, but keep the right hand on the F major chord. So this chord makes what you call a G11. And you play that once, and then we have B, C, B, G into the C major 7 chord again. 1, 2, 3. So I'll just do what we've done so far from the beginning. We almost repeat that from the beginning, so back to the B, C, B, G, C major 7, B, C, B, G into the D minor 7, A, B, C, and into the F major chord again, twice, 1, 2. We're going to move both of those up to G major, so G, B, D in the right hand and G and D in the left hand for 1, and then we're going to play these singular notes B, C, D, and then the left hand is going to come down to C and G, and you're going to play like a G major with that C and G in the left hand. So this chord altogether makes what we call a C major 9. You play that once, and then we turn the B and D into C and E. So it's like C major 9 into C major. So it's quite a nice like suspension that resolves into the C. And then we have just G's. If you can't stretch octaves, just play the highest G. So I'll do all of that verse again. How was I to know? It's a crazy thing. I showed you my hand and you still let me win. Who was I to say that is meant to be? The road was broken, brought us together, and I know. Okay, so now we're into the chorus. So that's the verse done, which we're going to play the same way in the second verse and also in the instrumental part as well. So that's a good chunk of the song already done. So the chorus then, so it starts with these G's, and I know. So I've got this new chorus, it's an A minor 7. So you can just, again, you don't have to play octaves if you can't stretch octaves. Just play this A or this A. In the right hand, we're going to play E, G, A, C. So I want to go, and I know. And you can play this lower A if you have it. So again, and I know, 2 and 3. Play the G's again. Into the D minor 7 chord, which is what we've already done. 1, 2, 3. And then A, B, C. And then we have this new chord, so it's a G7, G dominant 7. So G's in the left hand, and then in the right hand you're going to play D, F, and B. So I have tried to be accurate with all the inversions of the chords as well. It's just like the little in-betweeny notes that I'm not going to be overly accurate about. So we play that twice, 1, 2, and then the left hand comes down and plays F with the same chords, so it's like G7 over F, and you play that once. And then we play B, C, D, and then we've got this C major 7 chord in this, played in this way but once, so it's G, B and E with C and G in the left hand. You play that once and then you come down and play it where we were playing it in the verse, so with the B, C and E twice. So I'll just do what we've done so far of the chorus. So we've gone, and I know, and then G, D minor 7, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, G7 twice, change to F, play it once, B, C, D, C major 7 up here, and then down here twice. And then we almost repeat that again, so we've got the G's again, into A minor 7, 1, 2, A, G, to D minor 7, 1, 2, 3, and this time, so you can either just play D, E, F, or you can add the F in there as well, so play F and D, E, F, and then we've got this so this is what we call a G13, a G13. So that's G's in the left hand. In the right hand, you're going to play face, F-A-C-E, which is an F major 7 chord, but together they're called G13. You're then going to turn the E to a D. Then we're going to play F, B, E. So this is turn the E to a D. And then play C major first inversion. So in the right hand, that's E, G and C, with C5 or C and G in the left hand. So there's a lot of more substantial chords in this one. Remember to pause the video, work on one section at a time. The idea with tutorials is that you write down notes, re-watch sections, etc. Slow it down if you need to. So I'll just do that G chord again, so from the G13, change to D, F, B, E, change to D, and then C major first inversion that you play twice. So I'll just play all the chorus now then, just without singing. Into the second verse.
Hi there, just quickly before we continue, if you are enjoying the video so far, please consider hitting that like button and say hi in the comments section below. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing, you know where the button is, and make sure to hit that notifications bell so you're notified every time I upload a new tutorial and you can be the first to learn. I've left a load of playlists in the description as well to get you started. I hope you enjoy the rest of the tutorial and let's continue.
And I know you can fall for 1,000 kings and hearts that will give you a diamond ring, and blindfold you see the best in me. The next verse. So I'll just continue because it's the same as the first verse. I've been played before. If you hadn't guessed, so I kept my cards close to my foolproof vest. But you called my bluff, saw through all my tells. Into the next chorus. And I know that you think what makes a king is gold, a palace and diamond rings. When I fold, you see the best in me, the Joker. And now it's into the instrumental, so you're just going to play that the same as the verse. Into the chorus for one last time. And I know you could fall for 1,000 kings and hearts that would give you a diamond ring. When I fold, you see the best in me, the joy. And then the outro, we play this D minor 7 chord, and the Joker, G7 chord, and then it ends on a C major 11. So C, G, and then E, G, B, D. So let's do that last chorus again. And I know you could fall for 1,000 kings with hearts that would give you a diamond ring. When I fold, you see the best in me, the joker and the queen, the joker and the queen. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.